Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make learning English as natural as breathing. If you want to speak like a native, understand real-life slang, and feel confident in every conversation, you are in the right place. Before we dive into today's exciting story of Alex and Gift, do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Your support helps us keep creating these free lessons for you. Ready? Let's get into the story.
Come on. The flight landed 20 minutes ago. Gift! Over here!
Alex! Oh my God, Alex!
I can't believe you're actually here. You look incredible.
I feel like a mess. That flight was 12 hours, Alex. 12 hours of bad coffee and no sleep. But seeing you, totally worth it.
Give me that bag. You're not lifting a finger for the rest of the week.
Oh, really? Is that the boyfriend treatment I was promised?
Best service in the city. Let's get to the car. The wind is freezing today. Welcome to Chicago.
You weren't kidding. It's April. Why is it still this cold?
That's the windy city for you. But don't worry, the car will warm up in a second. How was the flight? Really?
It was fine. I watched 3 movies and tried to sleep, but I was too nervous. I kept thinking, what if he looks different? What if we don't have anything to talk about?
And? Do I look different?
Maybe a little more tired. Those late-night work calls are catching up to you, huh?
Yeah, work has been a lot. Actually, Gift, I've been meaning to tell you something about my job.
What is it? You sound serious.
It's just... Actually, never mind. Let's wait until we get home. I don't want to ruin the mood yet.
Look at those buildings. It's like a movie. Everything is so big here. It's a beautiful city, Gift. I've lived here for 5 years, and I still get lost looking at the skyline. Do you think I could ever fit in here? Are you kidding? You'd own this city in a week. You have that energy. I don't know. Back home, everything is slow. People know my name. Here, I'm just another person in the crowd. It's a bit scary. That's the best part about love, though. No matter how big the crowd is, you're the only person I see. Cheesy, right? Totally cheesy, but I love it. I missed your voice so much. Voice notes are great, but hearing you in person, it's different. It feels real.
Thank heaven a couch that doesn't move.
Here, hydrate. I'm going to order some pizza. Deep dish?
You know it. So, this talk. We've been long distance for 2 years. 2 years of screens and Wi-Fi issues.
And now we're in the same room. It feels like a dream. But Alex, we need to talk about us. Like the future us.
I know. I've been thinking about that every single day. I don't want to say goodbye at the airport next Sunday.
Me neither. But moving is a huge step. I'd have to leave my family, my job, everything.
What if you didn't have to do it alone? What if...
Alex, what are you doing?
I found this. It's a flyer for a gallery in the city. They're looking for an international manager. I think you should apply.
Oh, a job? You had me scared for a second.
Sorry, but wait, there's a catch. Look at the location.
Wait, this isn't in Chicago. This is in California?
Yeah. Gift, I got a job offer in Los Angeles. If you take this, we could start over, together, in a new city where neither of us knows anyone.
Los Angeles. That's even further from my family.
I know. It's a lot to ask. But life is short, Gift. I spent so many years doing what I was supposed to do. I went to school, I got the office job, I bought the car, but I wasn't happy until I met you.
I feel the same. Before you, I was just existing. You make me want to be better. You make me want to take risks.
That's what love is, isn't it? It's a partnership. It's not about finding someone perfect. It's about finding the person you want to go through the mess with.
Tearing up. You're going to make me cry into my pizza.
Good. It adds salt. But seriously, I want a life with you. I want to wake up and not have to check the time zones before I text you.
I want that too. I really do. But Alex, there's something I haven't told you.
What is it?
My parents, they aren't doing well. My dad is sick. If I move to America, I don't know if I'll ever see him again.
Oh, Gift. Why didn't you tell me?
Because I wanted this trip to be perfect. I didn't want to bring my problems here.
Your problems are my problems. That's the deal. It's so beautiful. Everything feels possible right now.
It's possible. We will figure it out, whether it's Chicago, LA, or me moving back there. I just want to be where you are.
Do you mean that? You'd give up your career for me?
In a heartbeat.
You're a good man, Alex. I'm a man in love. That's much more dangerous.
Who is it?
It's the hospital.
The hospital? Why?
Gift, stay here. I have to go.
Alex, talk to me. What's happening?
I'll explain later. Just lock the door. I'll be back as soon as I can.
Come on, Alex, pick up. It's been 3 hours. Maybe I should call a taxi. No, I don't even know where the hospital is. I don't even know what's wrong. Alex! Oh my God, I've been worried sick. What happened? Are you okay?
I'm fine, Gift. I'm so sorry I left you like that.
Forget about that. What happened at the hospital? Who called you?
It's my sister, Sarah. She was in a car accident tonight.
Oh no! Is she going to be okay?
The doctor said she's stable, but she has a long road ahead. She's my only family here, Gift. Since our parents passed away, it's just been us.
I am so sorry. Why didn't you tell me she lived here?
I wanted to, but Sarah has been struggling lately, and I didn't want to worry you with my family drama the moment you landed. I wanted everything to be perfect for us.
Alex, look at me. Life isn't perfect. I'm not here for the perfect version of you. I'm here for all of you. The tired version, the worried version, all of it.
I'm going back to the hospital in an hour. You don't have to come, Gift. You should go see the city. I'll give you my transit card.
Stop. I'm not going to a museum while you're hurting. I'm coming with you.
But this was supposed to be your vacation, your big trip to America.
My big trip is about being with you, whether that's at the Bean in Millennium Park or in a hospital waiting room.
Silently, you're incredible. You know that.
I know. Besides, Sarah needs to meet her future sister-in-law, right?
Wait, what did you just say?
I mean, eventually, if we can figure out the California thing, or the Chicago thing, or the us thing.
About that. If Sarah needs help recovering, I can't move to Los Angeles. I can't leave her here alone.
I know. I was thinking about that too.
So what does that mean for us? You have your dad to care for back home, and now I have Sarah here. We are thousands of miles apart with people who need us.
It means we have to be brave, Alex. Love isn't just about feelings. It's about timing and sacrifice.